Hedgehogs are small mammals. They are easily recognized by their spines. These spines are made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails. When threatened, hedgehogs curl into a ball. Their spines protect them from predators. Hedgehogs are mostly nocturnal. This means they are most active at night. They have poor eyesight but a keen sense of smell and hearing. These senses help them find food and avoid danger in the dark. Hedgehogs are found across Europe, Asia and Africa. They prefer habitats with plenty of cover, like hedgerows, woodlands and gardens. Hedgerows are particularly important. They provide safe pathways for hedgehogs to travel between feeding grounds. In gardens, hedgehogs often make nests under sheds, in compost heaps, or beneath piles of leaves. They line their nests with soft, dry material. These nests provide shelter from the elements and a safe place to raise their young. Hedgehogs are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet consists mainly of insects, slugs, snails, worms and caterpillars. They use their sharp claws and pointed snouts to dig for food in the ground. Their love of slugs and snails makes them valuable allies for gardeners. By controlling these garden pests, hedgehogs help to protect our plants and flowers. Hedgehogs play a vital role in the ecosystem, especially in gardens. As natural pest controllers, they help maintain a healthy balance in the garden. Their appetite for slugs, snails and other invertebrates prevents these creatures from becoming too numerous and damaging plants. Their presence in gardens is a sign of a healthy and biodiverse environment. By providing food, water and shelter, gardeners can encourage hedgehogs to visit and thrive in their gardens. Section 5. Surprising hedgehog secrets. Despite their prickly appearance, hedgehogs are surprisingly good swimmers. They have a layer of fat that helps them stay buoyant. When swimming, they paddle with their legs and use their spines as a flotation device. Another surprising fact about hedgehogs is their ability to self-anoint. They sometimes produce saliva with a frothy appearance and spread it over their spines using their tongues. The purpose of this behavior is still debated, but it may be related to scent masking or parasite control. Section 6. Hedgehog hibernation. During the cold winter months, hedgehogs enter a state of hibernation. They usually hibernate from November to March, depending on the weather conditions. During hibernation, their body temperature drops and their heart rate slows down to conserve energy. Before hibernating, hedgehogs need to build up fat reserves by eating plenty of food. Gardeners can help by providing supplementary food such as cat food or mealworms during the autumn months. Section 7. Hedgehog hoglets. Hedgehogs typically mate between April and September. After a gestation period of around 35 days, the female gives birth to a litter of hoglets. Hoglets are born blind and deaf with soft spines that harden within a few days. The mother hedgehog nurses and cares for her hoglets for several weeks. During this time, she teaches them essential survival skills, such as how to find food and avoid predators. Section 8. Hedgehog hazards. Sadly, hedgehog populations are declining in many parts of the world. This is due to a number of factors, including habitat loss, pesticide use, and road traffic. Many hedgehogs are killed by cars every year while trying to cross roads. Other hazards for hedgehogs include garden ponds with steep sides, bonfires, and streamers. Gardeners can help by making their gardens safer for hedgehogs. For example, by providing ramps out of ponds and checking for hedgehogs before lighting bonfires. Section 9. Helping our prickly pals. There are many things we can do to help protect hedgehogs. We can create hedgehog highways by making small holes in our fences to allow them to move freely between gardens. We can avoid using slug pellets and pesticides, which can harm hedgehogs. We can also support hedgehog rescue centers and charities that work to conserve these fascinating creatures. By working together, we can ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the presence of these prickly but endearing creatures.